start eating 3 meals a day instead of one. I had 2 pieces of pizza the other day and I was full. So it doesn't take a lot to fill me up, but
That's how I am.
whatever
too.
I eat, just that 1 meal a day is just obviously my body's holding on to it for fuel. So I've got to force myself to eat another couple of meals a day.
And go back to the walking
but
that
I'm
you were
on. Yeah.
Oh, did
What
you
the
guys just hear
hell?
that?
It sounds
My
like
husband-
it sounds like Ghostbusters. Zool.
There's a lot of glitches. Yeah. So I'm not sure about iPhone. I'm a Samsung girl.
You give Jojo because I just is not blocked.
What is that noise? What is that noise?
That was weird. I don't know.
Is that coming from me?